English right, 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 English right. We read, we play, we practice, and learn to say it right. With Fixie, Rusty, Marla, and Cora, what a sight. With Fixie, Rusty, Marla, and Cora side by side. We practice English proudly, with laughter as our guide. English bright, English bright, English bright, English bright, English bright. We read, we play, we practice, we learn to say it right. With Fixie, Rusty, Marla, and Cora, what a sight. So come and start your journey with Fixie, Rusty too. With Marla and with Cora, come learn with us tonight.